We are celebrating 15 years with fulcrum learnings and a clear vision for our future. A day to first thank everyone who has influenced our journey: clients, peers, architects, core team, and team members, both current and ex. Our roots for clinical operational workflows come from our UK JV partners since inception. The churn at India has been of large volumes with a price sensitive and value conscious market. Our consulting experience has spanned across 300 plus million square feet, 700 plus projects across 58 cities and 5 countries. We have built a DNA of expanding resources via ground up multidisciplinary training of engineers. Dependable delivery via projected tasks, man hours, and deadlines are coupled with granular level checklists to ensure quality. With a core of built environment sciences and engineering, we have expanded our roots with breakthrough technology adaptations. Our motto of engineering evolving has enabled an IT-like method of delivery with remote data intelligence for projects under construction and for asset operations. Rationalizing affordability while increasing predictability, productivity, and accuracy is central to technology adaptations. Finally, there is accentuation of sustainability, flexibility, livability, and actively considering a life cycle approach to maximize asset yield. Our goals for the coming decade are set at structured resource development for more than 200,000 people, scaling impact through harmonic territory and sector responsive collaborations, leaders for tech-enabled built environment consulting and sustainability. Develop centers of excellence for remote project intelligence, R&D and labor development. Deliver globally recognized case study projects. We are committed to build relationships with a long-term intent, quantified value proposition and incremental value. Balance robust knowledge, measurable delivery, and astute imagination.